Are you looking to build that crisp and expert vetted product management resume? Are you looking for something that recruiters would have a sharp look at and select your resume? Well, today's episode is completely based on that. So, welcome to Product Today, a brand new episode number 6. And with us, we have our in house expert and our CEO, Mr. Manavender Singh, again giving us his inputs on how to make that product management resume that will outshine all other resumes. So, welcome, Manav, to the show.
Thank you, Afreen, and glad to be back to the series again.
Yes, well, we're very, very happy to have you here. So, without wasting any much time, any more time, Manav, let us know what are those stellar, pointers that you have for everyone out there to create that resume.
Yeah. So, Afreen, when a aspiring product manager is looking to enter a product management role, a lot of time what they don't take care of is building a great resume. Right? Resume is very very important because till the time you don't tell the right story through your resume, you will not even get a chance to interview.
So, Manav, what are some pointers that you have for us for today?
Yeah. So the first pointer is that I've seen a lot of times candidates, and I've mentored a lot of people, aspiring PMs. They are not looking at the resume from a recruiter point of view. You
Mm-hmm.
need to have a very neutral way of looking at your own resume, and you need to ask the big question, just like a product manager. You as a product manager would ask that why? Why
Yeah,
should that recruiter care about you? And
yeah,
this is a very important point you need to think about when you're making your product management resume. Three things that potential recruiter are looking for is: number one, potential recruiters are looking for a fit. For
okay.
example, if they are looking, they have a specific, usually a candidate in mind that he
Yeah,
should have this experience, should have worked on, let's say, technical product management or UX product management or some kind of product management experience,
yeah,
right? So recruiters already have a picture of what they are looking for, right? So what is important is for you to understand that what kind of in front of what kind of recruiters you want to really shine. Yeah.
yeah,
So recruiters, as a recruiter, I want to look for candidate who has the skills that I'm looking for, which
yeah.
could be any specific aspect of product management, or which could be product management as a whole. Number one. Number two is I'm looking for some credible proof of success in the previous role, which is very, very important,
Absolutely.
right? Third is what a recruiter is looking for is that a resume that they can understand within 5 seconds. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people make resumes, which are 2 pages, 3 pages, 4 pages long.
Yes.
Recruiter does not have that much time. He or she possibly wants to select the best candidate in the shortest piece
Yes.
a period of time and get done with that, closing that role. So they will not go through your resume for maybe even a minute, right? They will possibly review your resume for 5 to 10 seconds or maybe 30 seconds. So try to keep the resume from a recruiter perspective just of 1 page, maximum 2 pages if you have something outstanding or if you have a lot of
Yes.
experience.
I think if it's coming from technical backgrounds, 2 pages would do. But I think from business backgrounds, I think one crispness is what is expected, right?
Absolutely. So that is the recruiter's perspective, that what I am looking for
Yes.
in a potential candidate.
All right. All right. And more pointers here to get added. And these are the basic 3 pointers that we have to focus upon. So, Manav, if I am just going over it and if I'm taking the overall view of today's session, is that from recruiter's point of view is what we need to understand, and the fit, credibility, where quantitative data is presented, and the crispness of your resume is what we need to actually focus upon, right? Once we are building
Absolutely.
a stellar resume. And I think, like you said, I think this is not only applicable for a role of product manager. I think this is across the field. Everyone can. I need to work on my resume after this video.
Yeah.
So thank you, Mana, for those insights. And it was once again lovely having you for this episode.
Thank you, Afreen. And I hope the second part of this resume series, is something that budding product managers will love even more.
Absolutely, absolutely. Looking forward for that. Okay. Thank you so much, Mana, for joining us.